Hello my dear students, I welcome you all to my EVS class. Today we are going to understand the chapter Keeping Clean. So let's start. So children, we are on page number 182. Before we start the exercise of the chapter, let's have a look at the good habits once again. Okay? You can repeat after me, children. Good habits. Tina washes her hands before and after meals. As the picture given here, Tina is washing her hands. She washes her hands before and after meal as well. Okay? And the next one. See, what is the boy doing? He is Aman. Aman clips his nails with a nail clipper. He does not like dirt under his nails. So he does not like dirt under his nails. So he is clipping his nails. And we should do it regularly, maybe after 1 week or 10 days. And you are very small, so you must take the help of your parents while clipping your nails. Don't clip it yourself. You have to take the help of either your parents or your grandparents. Okay? And clip it after every 1 week or 10 days. And the third one, Joy. Joy is the name of the boy. Joy washes his hands after using the toilet. He never leaves the toilet dirty. That means we have to flush the toilet after we use it. And also we have to wash our hands after using the toilet. And next one, Vani. Vani is the name of girl. Vani covers her mouth with a handkerchief when she coughs or sneezes. So whenever you cough or sneeze, we should always put a handkerchief to cover our mouth. Okay? We should follow good habits. Good habits help in keeping us healthy and strong. How does it help us to keep healthy and strong? If we follow the good habits, we will not fall sick. Dirt will be away from us. Okay? And so we will always be healthy and strong. Okay, now come to page number 183. Look at the first question here, children. Tick the good habits and cross the bad habits. Okay, boxes are given to put a tick or cross. Whichever will be the good habit, we are going to tick it. And if it is a bad habit and we should not do it, then we are going to put a cross in the box. And the first one is, Meera has a bath every morning. So taking a bath every morning is a good habit or a bad habit. What should I write? Tick, or should I put a cross mark over here? So children, taking a bath every morning is a good habit. So we are going to put a tick here. I hope everybody has taken a bath today. Yes, we did it, right? That's good. Come to the next one. Number 2. Ali does not wash his hands before eating. Is it a good habit or a bad habit? So children, washing your hands before eating is a good habit, and here in this sentence, Ali does not wash his hands before eating, so this becomes a bad habit, and we are going to put a cross over here. And come to the third one. Tina wears a clean uniform. Wearing a clean uniform is a good habit or a bad habit? Tina wears a clean uniform. Wearing clean uniform or clean clothes is a good habit, so put a tick mark over here. Rian does not brush his teeth before going to bed. This is a bad habit because we should always brush our teeth after dinner or before going to bed and in the morning. 2 times we have to brush our teeth. So this is a bad habit. Not brushing your teeth before going to bed is a bad habit. Now here again we have a question. This is page number 184, children. Strike out the wrong word in each sentence. Now here again 2 words are given in each sentence. Okay. One is the correct one and the other one is the wrong one. So we have to strike it out. The wrong one we will strike it out and then we will read the correct one. Let's start with the first one. Number 1. Brush your teeth twice, once a day. So which option is correct? Twice or once? One is correct and the other one is wrong. So children, we should brush our teeth twice a day. So twice is correct. So we are going to strike the once, O-N-C-E. Cut it once. Okay. So now the sentence is brush your teeth twice a day. Okay. And the second one, take a bath every day or on Sundays. Take a bath every day. Take a bath on Sundays. Which one is correct? So we are going to cut on Sundays. Okay. Take a bath every day is correct, children. On Sunday we are going to strike it. Okay, because it is wrong. We should take a bath every day to keep our body clean. Otherwise we may fall sick. Okay, come to the third one. Clip, grow your nails to keep away germs. So clip and grow. One is correct and the other one is wrong. Clip your nails to keep away germs or grow your nails to keep away germs. Which one is the correct option? Clip your nails to keep away germs. This is correct, children. So we are going to strike the word grow. We should not grow our nails. Okay. Otherwise dirt will be there in our nails and while eating or doing anything else, it may go inside our body and we will fall sick. So we should always clip our nails every now and then, maybe after a week or 10 days. Okay. The fourth one is wear dirty or clean clothes after bath. Wear dirty clothes after bath. Wear clean clothes after bath. Which one is correct? So children, wear clean clothes after a bath is correct and we are going to strike the word dirty. Okay? And kindly strike it once only. Don't do it again and again. Your book will look dirty. Okay, so I repeat, wearing clean clothes after a bath is the correct one. We are going to strike the dirty option. Because if you wear dirty clothes after a bath, then there is no use of taking a bath. Okay, because your clothes are dirty and there might be germs on your clothes and you may fall sick. So we take a bath to clean ourselves and hence we should always wear clean clothes after the bath. Okay, come to the next one. Answer in 1 or 2 words. With what do we clip our nails? So children, we are going to write here nail, capital N, A-I-L, nail, clipper, C-L-I-P-E-R, nail clipper. Okay, we also call it as nail cutter. Generally, we call it as nail cutter. So children, we have written here nail clipper. Write N capital as it is the first letter of the sentence or of the word. Okay. We are not writing a sentence here as it is given answer is one or two words. Even then we have to write the first letter capital. Okay. I repeat, with what do we clip our nails? Nail clipper or nail cutter. As it is given in our book nail clipper, so I have written here nail clipper. If you write nail cutter, then also it will be correct. Now we come to question number 2. With what do we cover our mouth while coughing? Okay. So children, here we are going to write handkerchief. H-A-N-D, hand. K-E-R, kerchief. C-H-I-E-F, chief. Handkerchief. Children, you can underline like this, handkerchief. So it will be easier for you to read. Okay, and here H will be capital and keep your K small. I have seen children many a times, whenever you write K, you write the K capital. I don't know why, but here it is not the first letter, so K should be small. Only H will be capital, rest all letters will be small. H is capital because it is the first letter of the sentence. So hereby we complete our today's class, children. Bye for now.